Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Mill Hustles with the Magic Tech Review family, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock the LG X Power on Cricket Wireless so it works on any GSM carrier. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. This video is brought to you by theunlockingcompany.com, so let's go ahead and get this unlock on the way. So the first thing that you're going to need is your IMEI number. So you're going to get that by going to your dialer and dialing *#06 and then pound. And there you go. I got my IMEI number right there. All right. So once you have written down your IMEI number that I just showed you how to get, you go to theunlockingcompany.com. You're going to select your manufacturer. In this case, it is LG. We're going to go down to LG model. Since it starts with an X, it's an X Power. We're going to go to the very bottom. There we go, right there. Then you're going to select Unlock Now. See what's happening here. Okay, and there's the phone right there. Here, you're going to select the country you purchased this phone from. In our case, it's the US of A. Oh. Okay. Then you're going to select your carrier. In my case, it is Cricket Wireless. Going to hit Next. Go scroll down. And here you're going to enter the IMEI number that I showed you how to get a little earlier, your full name, and your email address. And here it's going to show you how much it's going to cost to unlock. Now this is the unlocking company's price, and that is the price of their competition. So you're already winning here with the unlockingcompany.com. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and pay for my unlock, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I've gotten my unlock code from theunlockingcompany.com via email, and I've written it down. I entered a Metro PCS chip into this X Power, and I got this screen. So what I'm going to do is enter the code that I received, and I'm going to see what happens. And there you have it. Thanks to theunlockingcompany.com, my LG X Power, originally on Cricket Wireless, is fully unlocked to work for any GSM carrier. Be sure to check out theunlockingcompany.com, who brought you this video, for all your unlocks. They're quick, it's easy, and you save money compared to the competition. Thanks a lot, people. Hope this video you found it helpful. Leave a like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.